Good morning, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold Block 78, and we are just up and up, and we are ready to rock and roll. Beautiful sunny day. I was just exiting this beautiful driveway of mine, and guess what? Blocked out. Like seriously, dude. Like seriously, yeah. One of those. And so yeah, I'm just waiting for these people to just move so I can get the F out and just have a beautiful day. That's about it for now. We are heading to Coffee right now. We have a really busy day ahead of us. We are going to Golden West. We are going to Tom Sandoval. We're going so many places today that I haven't lost track, but I kind of have it in my head somewhere here. And I have it on my calendar too, on my Gmail calendar and also my Apple calendar. So we're good. So I'll see you guys back with some repairs coming through your way. In the meantime, have a beautiful day. Stay up, and don't feel any doubt. Just always own it and be good. And just live like you own this place. And this place by me, and I mean Earth, even though you don't own it, but feel like you own it. And that confidence should give you enough boost to have a beautiful, amazing day. And you'll think of me when you have that feeling in your head. So, meantime, stay tuned for some more action, like I said, and have a beautiful day, afternoon, evening, or morning, whatever hour you are in time zone in the world. So, bless, Ari Gold, Phon-Er, I'm out for now. So, see you soon. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we are almost there. We are at Vernon, California right now. We are almost at the Golden West with a group to fix 2 phones, 6S and a 6, and also an ear speaker and a front camera, possibly. So we'll see what it goes down, and we'll put that on VidCam so you guys can check it out and see what up. So stay tuned. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, and we are almost at Golden West. We're like a second and a half actually to arrival. So, and here we are, Gwfg Golden West. We are here, and we're just gonna wait for him to come through.
Your route guidance is now finished.
I think that's a pass. We're just checking. Hey, what's up, brother? How are you? Here's the Mac. I mean, I'm sure you already know. Like that song goes, and you already know. Alright, well, thanks, man. Thank you, brother. See, that's how we treat it, and that's how you talk to people. You respect them to the highest levels because they're doing their work and you're doing your work, so it's all work. It's a blessing, and it's a respectful blessing, so it's dope. Yep, and that's about it, guys. So I just got here, so it's not about it, actually. We just got here, so why do I always say that it's about it? It's not about it. We just got here, so it's not it yet. But this is it. We're here. We're gonna get our stuff. I mean, we already got our stuff all packed up and ready to go. So we're just gonna like take off from the car, walk down there, that aisle or there, do that thing done, and then see you guys how it goes down. So stay tuned for a second, and we'll be right back. Guys, let's get to it. go like this. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. All done. Okay, this is the phone that we got doing. This part is physical damage. This part, gotcha. This part, not responsive. Well, y'all be all. Thank you for watching, and that'll be end of life.